Hi there, my name is Josey Baez, and I am currently the team leader at KW Legacy in Weston, Florida. It's a city here in South Florida, and I've been in real estate for 8 years. I started off as the regional operations manager for the South Florida region and have worked my way into different roles, administrative roles, selling role, and now I am a TL. Throughout my real estate experience, I've developed a passion for social media and digital passive income. So much so that I use it to build my database. I use it to build client relationships. I use it to build agent relationships. I use it every single day. There is power in using a free platform to build your business. In fact, I am so passionate about it that I also teach my social media workshop with Florida Educational Services. Alongside that, I have a passion for coaching others. I am a business coach. I love to coach leaders, administrative professionals, and agents into production with a focus on their branding and social media. So let's stay in touch. Follow me on social at Josey Baez, and that's Josey Baez, Baez.